How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix XP Pen no signal. So a no signal error on your XP Pen screen usually means that the tablet is receiving power via USB but is failing to communicate with your computer's graphics card or lack the necessary display protocol. So the first thing that you want to do is to check your cable connection. So 3-in-1 cable users out there, make sure to check the HDMI is plugged directly onto your computer's dedicated graphics card or the GPU, not the motherboard right here. So if you're using a desktop, the GPU ports are typically located in the horizontal slots, which will simply look something like this. And the motherboard HDMI slot will be somewhere between right here. So just make sure that you are plugged in onto the horizontal slots. Right after, for the USB-C to USB-C users, ensure that your laptop's USB-C ports support video output, basically DisplayPort, out mode, or Thunderbolt, because many standard USB-C ports only transmit data, not video. So just make sure that your cable and your port supports that. Right after, we have the red USB cable. So if you have the 3-in-1 cable, basically the red USB plug, it's for extra power. You want to connect it to an active USB port or a wall charger. Now we could also try doing a hard reset or hardware reset, force reset, or whatever you call it onto our device right here. So to do that, you want to make sure to hold down the power button on your tablet until the blue light turns off. Basically, the device is fully off. And then you just want to unplug everything, basically from the main USB-C, the USB cable from the tablet while continuing to hold down the power button. And then you want to plug the cable back into the tablet, and then you want to let go of the power button. Once again, just press the power button normally, and from there, this should help you fix the problem. Well, from there, I also suggest to extend your device or to adjust your display settings. So in here, you just want to press Windows key P. This will then show up. And then you just want to make sure to select extend. So in that way, we'll be able to extend our screen. Or you then want to select duplicate. Now, another thing that I suggest is to update or reinstall drivers. So a corrupted or outdated driver can disrupt connections or communications between your tablet and PC. So always ensure that you have the latest software downloaded directly from the XP Pen support. So just search for the XP Pen drivers download. And then from here, you just want to locate the device that you were simply using. Let's say this one. And then right after, just go ahead and simply download and update it. So after following these methods, this will go ahead and fix the problem itself. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.